Siezo URIMI na ndiri ya MWERI ntore na KUNYIRIA akenya kuombeka bei ya MUTU na MUCERE kenda megekinyira mwisho wa mweri wa kairi. Akiaria ugete magashu wa njira ya kuthiria yura na wagi wa IRIO Kenya na riu magutumira ona migunda ya thirikari iria itina wira ta ya NYS ni kenda kurima na thirikari thaino ikarasimika kugura IRIO ta mbembe na MUCERE ndesi ya njatha ino nontugutina bwa kurutha masindumba enaino.
Kone na werigiro bunene bakwinama kwa magũri ja MUTU na MUCERE mweri jwejete na bubu ni kuringana na Minister wa URIMI na ndithia mithikari Lîntûrî. Akiaria rintere cha Mombasa muthenya jana arua Lîntûrî ariuga thirikari ni gwika mitaratara ya kung'ana gutigira magũri ja MUTU ja mbembe na MUCERE ni bikwinama kwambiria muthieni ja mweri jwa iri magũri ja kirigiro kwinama bunene.
I want to commit by the end of March, by the end of February, the cost of unga will have come down. The cost of rice will have come down.
Ariuga mwena bubu nontu thai gutina biakuria kung'ana nthiguruni no mwanka bagure mpempe na MUCERE kuma OOME kwa yo Kenya bakari wani mpara.
Miss, we are going to import rice. So we are not doing it because we want. But the projections are so bad that if we do not do it, our people will die for lack of food. Yeah? So the mitigation measures that we have in the short term, as we plan ourselves to grow more food in another 6 months or so, is to bring you maize to get unga.
Bubu bwejete ndere Rais William Ruto abangite gutirimana na maabisa bankathi chieguru kwambiria rujo kwa radio ritingugi ba thirikari yawe na bumwe ba mantijara jakarirwo bunene ni uria bakenika ngarama ya uturo.
For our country, and that is also in consonance with your.
Lîntûrî ariuga thirikari ya Kenya kwanza iri na muoroto ja kwambiria URIMI bura bukonokia nthiguru iji kuma ukombone bwa kugura biakuria kuma OOME akiuga ati miunda ya thirikari irete kuritirwo ngugi yonthe igatwikithwo miunda.
We are going to put under agriculture a very big area of land, beyond 1 million acres of land, and it's a decision that all public land owned by NYS, ANDC, prisons, that land should not lie idle. We need to produce more food for our people, and we are in the process of identifying how to do it, and we actually want to do it to fully mechanize that process, and discussions are going on. We are ending on well.
Lîntûrî ariuga MUBANGO ja thirikari ni gutigira ni kwagirithia URIMI juri MUBANGO ja gutura ndeni ya mieri 6 ijete kenda guchiebania na kugura biakuria bi kuma nthiguru cia OOME.
It is necessary for us as government to do it because we will not let our people die for starvation or for lack of food. But for long term, we all require to be involved.
Senitojo wa Karaja wa Meru ariuga thirikari ta njira ya kurwana mpanga ya mpara ni bekite mitaratara mwanya irio ya uguri bwa ndithia kuma kiri arimi na kinya kubabia kuria biotethio.
But what are we doing for long term? We are now getting into an area where by now I am trying to come up with a program that will change the mindset of the pastoralists for them to understand and to know why it is necessary to have different methods of trying to deal with the livestock, including field lotting.
Lîntûrî ariuga MUBANGO ja wandi wa miti juria jwa rugorirwe ntariki 21 cia mweri muthiru ni jwa gutigira thirikari ni gucokaniria riera MUBANGO ja jwambirirwe ni Rais William Ruto wengwa.
The effects we are feeling today is for what we did not do many years ago. And I'm happy and proud to be associated in a government led by William Ruto, because he has taken a decisive position that the effects of climate change must be addressed now. Do you remember on 21st of December, there is cabinet or government presided over the planting or the launch of the planting of 15 billion trees to mitigate or to address the issues of climate change. So it is about climate change that has caused the drought situation in the country.
Kirikiria Lîntûrî na ugite ati ministry yawe ni athikirite itua ria Rais Ruto ria gukiria uthii wa majani kenda gukiria uturo bwa murimi na baria bangi bairigaira urimi bubu.
We are so keen on agro processing, value addition and manufacturing, and considering agriculture is the backbone of this country, and tea, majani chai, employing a quite a big percentage of our rural population, and realizing that there is a need to boost tea prices for our farmers, I decided to end the President's directive that we must be able to work with various tea stakeholders to see on how we can be able to accelerate value addition on our tea so that tea is able to fetch better prices for our farmers.
Kwambiria aramisi ya kiumia giki Rais Ruto ageka kigomano gia ntuku ithano na kanjo yawe ya maminista bario kinya ma PS na tari bawe bagi siasa na kinya giuchumi kwariria witi na mbere bwa nthiguru na mantu ja urimi nijo ja kwirigirwo kwarirwa bunene Lîntûrî akiuga ati urimi ni bubu gwatirite nthiguru iji.
Asanteni sana.
Masindumba Ntetone cha Weru TV.